Good morning, guys. 1:41 in the morning. It's actually high tide at 2 o'clock in the morning, but the high tide is only 0.7 meter because it's nip tide. It's actually raining from time to time. First signal here. Can't find it. First high tone or mid high, 75, 78. $76. I think it's in the scoop. Oh, of course, something high tone. It's a vape. Unstable signal. Let's try this. Oh, shallow. There's only a very few signals, so we need to dig this. Oh, can you see that, guys? Yeah, this is like a bracelet or an anklet, but I think this is copper. But it's nice. At least we found a jewelry that early. Nice. 68, 69, 70. We found our first coin, and it is 5 peso brass coin. Nice one. 43 aluminum signal. All right, it's not aluminum, guys. It's just like the first ring that we found with the vortex. Sounds like aluminum, but this is actually a stainless steel ring. All right, sounds good, but the small aluminum is also sounding good. We found our first ring. Nice one. Unstable signal. Was probably a battle top, but we cannot see what is it until we see it. Oh, hey you. This is what I'm talking about. You cannot say it is until you see it. And this is actually a heart. I'm not sure what metal is this, but this is thick, like 6 grams or more. We found a heart. Hopefully this is something good. Unstable signal. 79. Another bottle top signal. Let's go to the other side. Oh, got it. Yes, that's a big one, guys. Yay, it's time to eat. Now let's find a fork. We already have a spoon. Yay, nice. A 5 peso coin. Yes, it is a brass coin. This is a link of a bracelet or a necklace. This could be silver or maybe a white gold. Now let's find the other chain. It's a coin, 1 peso iron coin. Yeah, 5. Yeah, iron coin. And it is a big pull tab. 5 peso. ₱5 green coin. Oh yeah, an earring, guys. And it's golden. 65 is actually 14 karat gold, but I'm not sure about it. Let's check later. Yeah, 20 pesos iron coin. $45. Oh, it's a ring. Yellow. Oh, it's a big ring, guys. Thank you, Pampol, guys. 5:17 in the morning, and I'm almost going home. My flashlight is already low, but whew, nice. We'll go home, guys. We'll check this out. Yes, I think we found gold. Yes.
For the wrap up, guys, I found only 63 pieces of coins, and this is the first jewelry that I found. This is just a copper. This is a stainless ring, but low quality stainless, maybe 304. And this heart is magnetic, so this is steel. And this link, this is actually silver. So where is the other chain? And this is the last one that I found when I'm heading back to my motorbike. My flashlight that time was low battery, so it was very nice under the low light. I was so excited to check this when I went home, but when I drop test, it sounds like stainless, and I tested with the acid, it's nothing. So this is just a gold plated stainless, right? I thought we found another gold. See? And for the truss, just a good amount of truss compared to this. That's it, guys. We'll find gold next time. See you on the next hunt.